Jesus played flames in a lake of fire, and I was standing there. Saw the devil in Seattle, spent 9 months inside the lion's den. Met Buddha in another time, he showed me all the glowing light within. But I never saw God till I looked inside the eyes of my best friend. Says, my son, it's all been done. One day you're gonna wake up old and gray. So just go out and have some fun, spreading warmth to everyone, meet and greet and cheat along the way. There's a space out there beyond our minds, far beyond this time or place, where reptile aliens made alive cut you open and rip out all your pain. Tell me why we made illegal something that we all make in our brain. Some say you might go crazy, then again it might make you go sane. Every time I take a look inside that old and fabled book, I'm blinded and reminded of the pain caused by some old man in the sky. Marijuana, LSD, psilocybin, DMT, they all change the way I see, but love's the only thing that ever changed my life. So don't waste your time on nursery rhymes, fairy tales, blood and wine. It's turtles all the way down the line. So to each their own, we get home. All the time and space we roam, different places we just come on. Space and time. What else we got?